Welcome to a short video on how Qxf2 Services integrated Axe into our open-source test automation framework. By the end, you'll know how to run accessibility tests effectively in your workflow. Before automating accessibility testing, let's first explore Axe DevTools, a browser extension that quickly identifies accessibility issues. Install the Axe DevTools extension from the browser web store. Open DevTools, navigate to the Axe tab, and click Scan All My Page to detect accessibility issues. Results are categorized as critical, serious, moderate, or minor. You can export these accessibility issues in JSON, CSV, or JUnit XML formats for reporting. Now, let's see how we integrated Axe into an automated test framework. First, install Axe Core using the command pip install Axe Selenium Python. Axe Core follows WCAG guidelines, ensuring comprehensive accessibility checks. Next, we include the axe.min.js script in our test framework. We stored the script path as script_URL and then created an accessibility util class that extends the Axe class. Using super, we called the parent class constructor and passed the script_URL to ensure Axe was properly injected into the webpage during tests. We then call the inject and run methods from the Axe class to scan pages for accessibility violations. This scans the page for accessibility violations and returns a structured report. These results help us to identify accessibility issues. We've created a few example pages containing some Axe accessibility issues and developed a test script to check if new or different violations get introduced on these pages. The snapshots of these accessibility issues are saved in the conf snapshots folder for validation. Now, let's look at how to run the accessibility tests within the Qxf2 framework. Execute the test script using Python mpytest test_accessibility.py command to start the scan. As you can see, when the test runs, the current accessibility violations are compared with the stored snapshot, and the results are printed. If no new violations are found, the test passes. If the current test finds new or different violations, it highlights the accessibility issues in the console and in a structured report. You can also review the detailed results log saved in the violation record text file. This file contains all identified accessibility issues and can be used to track fixes over time. If changes are detected, and if you want to update the baseline snapshot, use the below command pytest-snapshot_update. With this approach, accessibility checks become a seamless part of your automation workflow. For more details, check out Qxf2's blog on accessibility testing using Axe. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.